5 GitHub repos are exploding right now. The number one will change how you build forever. A massive open-source curriculum teaching AI engineering through 503 hands-on lessons across 20 phases. Learn Python, TypeScript, Rust, Julia by building reusable agents, prompts, skills, and MCP servers from scratch. Start at Phase 1, follow lessons sequentially, each produces a reusable artifact you can integrate immediately. An AI agent framework connecting instant messaging platforms, LLMs, and plugins into a unified assistant. Deploy bots on Discord, Telegram, WeChat, chain LLMs with custom plugins for autonomous workflows. Install via pip, configure platforms and LLMs in YAML, then extend with plugins, then run the bot locally or on a server. Official multilanguage SDKs to embed GitHub Copilot's agentic engine directly into your own applications. Invoke Copilot's planning, tool use, and file editing programmatically from Python, TypeScript, Go, .NET, Java, or Rust. Add the SDK via npm, pip, cargo, NuGet, Maven, or GoGet, then instantiate the agent and define its tools. A local-first code intelligence graph that maps your codebase so AI reviewers only read relevant context. Drastically cuts token usage by giving AI assistants precise structural context for reviews and large repo tasks. Install via pip, run the indexer on your repo, then connect your AI tool through MCP for focused reviews. An open-source AI voice studio that clones voices, generates speech, and dictates locally on your machine. Clone any voice, generate speech, dictate into any app, and talk to agents using voices you own offline. Download the desktop app from releases, select a voice model, then record or type to synthesize speech instantly. That's today's top 5. Subscribe for daily GitHub discoveries and never miss the next big thing.